In this video, I'll show you how to add the Matchain network in your Bitget wallet. First, open the Bitget Wallet app and unlock it. On the home screen, make sure you're in the correct wallet, then tap the network selector at the top, where it usually shows something like Ethereum or BNB chain. Now look for Matchain in the list of supported networks. If you see it, simply tap it to switch, and Bitget Wallet will automatically add and enable the network for that wallet. If Matchain doesn't appear, you'll need to add it manually. Tap Add Network or Custom RPC at the bottom of the network list. Here you'll see fields like network name, RPC, URL, chain ID, currency symbol, and sometimes block explorer, URL. Open the official Matchain website or documentation, copy each of these details exactly, and paste them into the matching fields in Bitget Wallet. Double-check there are no extra spaces or typos, then tap Save or Confirm. Once saved, you switch to the new Matchain network, and you'll see its address in your wallet, ready to receive tokens on that chain. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video.